Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Sung from Anaya RV. Some time ago, we showed you a 4+4 pull-out balcony. Then the majority of riders think that the structure of this pull-out balcony is too complicated. So today I bring you an electric flip balcony realized on 8+8. Attention! This electric flip balcony is opened with one click. One click to open and one click to retract. It opens up and includes the tables and chairs and the benches. So such a balcony is the balcony that you need. And this balcony, of course, is not all advantages. What about the electric flip balcony? Its electric mechanism needs to take up some space. Then we think it is difficult to achieve on 4+4. Because the space of 4+4 is limited after all. This position is 4 meters long. It is 4 meters from the position of the door to the front, equivalent to a 4+4 space. What about this 8+8 living room? It took out 3 meters of space to achieve its living room. The entire 3 meters is the sofa area. Outside is its balcony area. So the first drawback of the electric flip balcony, it just takes up part of the space in the RV. What's the second drawback? Due to its structure, it's insulating. It will definitely be a little worse than the cabin version. This car has run 10,000 kilometers. Went to the sea road, from Dongguan to Shenzhen, crossed the middle and crossed the sea road. How often is this balcony used? It's very high. Basically every night when parking the car, this balcony will be opened, because it expands the living area of the RV. Because we have a door here, open the door and enter our room. As soon as you come out of the door, you reach our balcony. A large balcony that is equivalent to a living room in your home. It's just that this balcony is now closed. At the same time, it can be opened and closed. That's the idea. What causes it to be turned on every time you park a car? Just because of its convenience. Convenient one-click opening. One-click retraction. It also expands your living area. You can smoke outside. You can play hot pot outside. You can cool off outside. So balconies are used a lot. Feel the breath of nature.